Hello and welcome to SMATI Academy. In this video, we are going to look at the sources of data for applied econometrics. We will discuss where to find and download reliable data. Why are the data sources important? Reliable data are the backbone of econometric analysis. Quality data ensure accurate estimation and meaningful insight. Choosing the right data source depends on your research question. As we discussed in our previous video, there are basically three types of data. The first one is time series data observation over time. For example, GDP from 2000 to 2020. We also have cross-sectional data, which consists of observations at a single point in time, e.g. population census. We also have panel data, combination of time series and cross-sectional data, e.g. GDP of countries over time. There are some common sources of data. We have the government databases, which include Census Bureau, statistical offices like the UK Office for National Statistics. We have international organizations, which include World Bank, IMF, United Nations or UN, WTO, OECD, Federal Reserve Economic Database. Other major source of data is academic resources like Harvard Dataverse, ICPSR, university libraries, and so on. We also have organizations or the market research firms like Statista, Euromonitor, and so on. We can also conduct custom surveys to collect data directly through questionnaires or interviews. Some data are free while others are paid. For example, the free sources include the World Bank, IMF, Eurostat, and UN databases. We also have public sector reports and open data portals like Kaggle. Paid data sources include the market research firms like Bloomberg, LSEG, formerly Refinitiv, and Trading Economics, and so on. In my opinion, you should start with free data source to explore trends before investing in paid data source. How do we evaluate the quality of data? We need to look at the relevance. Do the data align with our research purpose or objective? How accurate are the data sources? Are they free of errors and biases? Are the key variables complete and observations included? For example, if we say that consumption depends on income, there is no way we can do econometric analysis if the data on income is not available. Another key indicator of data quality are the data up to date. If we are assessing the impact of COVID-19 case on any economic variable, we need to have data beyond the year 2020. Reliability. Is the source reputable? We don't use any sources of data. We need to get data from reliable sources like IMF, World Bank, World Trade Organization, and so on. Here are the basic steps to download the data. Identify the source based on your needs. E.g., are you looking for time series or final data or cross-sectional data? You also visit the official website or database. The next thing is to specify the search criteria, e.g. the time period and the variables. From the website, there are options for specifying the time you need, that is the sample size, or the variables you want to download. Download in format compatible with software. The common format include CSV and Excel. There are so many other formats available, but these are the common ones. We also need to check for metadata and documentation for proper understanding of the data. Metadata normally gives the definition of the variables involved in the data. Finally, we need to record the download date. We know that data records are constantly updated. This is particularly important because some journals require you to provide the download date of your data. We know that data do not usually come in a structure compatible with our analysis. We need to do some cleaning and preparation. We need to remove duplicate and inconsistencies in some cases. We need to know how to handle the missing values through imputation or exclusion. We also need to convert the data into suitable formats, for example, to time series structure or to panel structure. In some cases, we need to normalize or scale the variables if necessary. Main takeaways from our today's video is that reliable data are crucial for meaningful econometric analysis. Understand the types and sources of data before starting your analysis. Always evaluate data quality and clean it thoroughly. Start with free sources and progress to paid ones if needed. We welcome any comments that can improve the services of SMATI Academy. Remember that together we can do anything. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notification on